Professional skills are career competencies or abilities that positively affect performance in the workplace for nearly any job. These skills are often called soft skills. They refer to the way that we act and interact at work and are vital to success in the modern workplace. Professional skills are learned throughout your career. You can practice these skills just like you practice your technical skills. Choose each tab to review some examples of professional skills that you will need as a cloud support associate. You spend almost the entire day communicating, which makes communication skills crucial in the workplace. These skills include verbal, nonverbal, and written communication. Verbal communication includes speaking clearly and concisely, limiting or defining any jargon, and using active listening. Using verbal communication effectively can boost teamwork and productivity. Nonverbal communication includes your gestures, posture, tone, and eye contact. These nonverbal signals can send strong messages. Being aware of your nonverbal communication and aligning your nonverbal and verbal messages can help you to connect with your teammates, managers, and customers. Written communication includes emails, memos, and documents. It also includes technical writing for documentation and training. The world of technology is changing at a rapid pace. To keep up, you must have good critical thinking skills. Critical thinking skills are important to the critical thinking process. These include identifying biases. Biases can influence how you understand the facts that are presented to you. When you're aware of those biases, you can question yourself and consider other points of view. Inference. Inference is the ability to draw conclusions based on the information that you have. Without inference, it can be difficult to take action after you analyze the presented facts. Research. Not all situations will have the required information available to you. You will need researching skills to gather the information that you need to think critically. Curiosity. Don't be afraid to question everything and explore what you're curious about. Intellectual curiosity is a valuable skill when learning and working with cloud services. Identification. Identification helps you know that you need to think critically about a problem and what's influencing the problem. Proper identification skills help you know when to analyze a problem. Problem solving is a complex skill that you will perform on a daily basis. You will be regularly confronted with difficult or unexpected situations that you must solve. Sometimes the solutions are easy to find, and other times you have to dive deep. The more you practice problem solving, the easier it becomes. You can practice problem solving by following a process or strategy. A popular problem solving strategy is to try the acronym IDEAL. Identify the problem and get to the root cause. Define the context of the problem. Explore possible strategies. Act on the best solution. Look back and learn. As you do your work, there will be times that you need to give feedback and receive feedback from others. Feedback in the workplace is important to change behaviors, improve productivity, and evaluate performance. Feedback can help you build self-awareness of your own performance and help you to meet your goals. Both giving and receiving feedback can be stressful, but with practice it gets easier. The following are tips for receiving feedback. Actively listen and be aware of your response. Be open and receptive to new ideas and different opinions. Reflect and assess the value of the feedback. The following are tips for giving feedback. Focus on the situation or behavior, not the person. Be specific, realistic, and timely. Balance the feedback between strengths and opportunities. And offer continuing support. A goal is a long-term ambition with aligned objectives that you set out to achieve. Goal setting is a good way to build new skills and align your focus. Setting goals can give you direction, help you identify the steps necessary to meet a goal, and help you stay motivated. Using goals can help you to progress in your career. The SMART methodology is a good way to set goals. SMART is an acronym that means the following. Specific. The goal is clearly stated and provides enough detail. Measurable. The goal includes measurements to track and keep you on schedule. Achievable. The goal is realistic to achieve given the situation. Relevant. The goal makes sense to achieve and fits the wider vision. Time-bound. The goal has a specific time frame for completion. It's important to write down your goals and refer to them frequently. Create an action plan to meet your goals and then take action. Take a moment to pause and reflect on the professional skills that are required for the Cloud Support Associate role and how your skills align. Where are your professional skills strong? What professional skills do you want to work on? AWS has over 200 cloud services and continues to add new services each year. These services include infrastructure technologies like compute, storage, and databases, to emerging technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, data lakes and analytics, and Internet of Things. As a Cloud Support Associate, you will work directly with customers to troubleshoot their architectures and apply best practices. You don't need to know every AWS service, but you will need to be skilled with the core AWS services that your customers use. Take a moment to pause and reflect on the AWS service skills that are required for the Cloud Support Associate role and how your skills align. Where are your AWS services skills strong? What AWS service skills do you want to work on? During this course, you thought about your skills as they compare to the skills needed to be a successful Cloud Support Associate. Review your self-reflections before you set an intention for the future. During this course, you learned about the Cloud Support Associate job role. This entry-level role provides direct support to customers through troubleshooting and application of best practices. You learned about daily tasks, required technical skills, AWS service skills, and professional skills. If you're excited about a job as a Cloud Support Associate, AWS Educate can help you learn more. Next up, you identify resources for learning, AWS certification, and create your own learning plan.